14, 16.
Look at them all. They are just straight vibing.
Welcome to our farm tour.
It's a whole 35 degrees out today. That
Those
means
are
short
our
weather.
farm turkeys.
Farm turkeys.
Let's go look at the plant.
The plants? What do we got here?
Nothing apparently.
Nothing's growing yet. We started some plants for our garden, but we'll show you that in a minute.
My barn.
We're going to his barn. What?
Junk.
Hey, this bad boy's. Whose is this?
It's Jared Gage's pride and joy.
This boat's up for sale this year. We're gonna buy a bass boat. We're on to bigger and better things.
This is my 100-year-old barn with solar electric capabilities.
We got a lot going on this year here.
Here's our garden and our...
What these are, we took old water troughs from out in the fields and stuff that have holes in them. They don't look that bad on the bottom, but like if you see like there, you got a big hole. There's some big holes along this one too. We're gonna cut out the bottoms. We're gonna put chicken wire along the bottoms, and we're gonna put them in between the garden and all these roots here. So we're gonna have them along there, and we're gonna use those as raised garden beds. We're gonna have our normal garden right over there once it gets warm out and we can actually start going on it. We got some bees over there.
Bees. We would go inside the barn, but it's literally nothing.
There's here. I'll give you guys a quick little.
Sick.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. We're gonna be adding a lot to the barn this year. Animals and stuff. If you guys have any ideas for what we should do, drop them down below. We're gonna get some go.
Let's go see the donkey.
Let's go see the donkey. Yeah, let's go see the donkey.
Hey!
Oh, Butler's gonna whoop your ass. Lightning and Eeyore. Eeyore the mini donkey. You guys might have seen. Yeah, that's what you have to do every day to get them to come over here. Let's go see the chickens and the goats. We gotta move the chickens today.
Wait.
Yeah. You're gonna help Grandma, aren't you? She bought all the red ones. We got a loose chicken. She's the one that's coming back over to the homestead. We'll go right in here and see. Get down. Get down, girl. No, hey. Oh, we got a loose goat. We got a loose goat. Hey, go. The door is open, Austin. Get us some food or something. Go back in there. Go. Jesus, damn goat. This goat's sweet. She was a little weird when she was born. Nobody thought she was gonna make it, so they gave her to my mom because she couldn't walk, she couldn't do anything. She ended up making it, and then she got this little girl as her playmate here.
Hey, cat.
Cat's not very friendly. What do you want? Is that your friend? Look, what do you gotta say? In here we got some chickens. Most of these are gonna be going up to my grandma's barn. Oh, you can barely see them. We got a few of them in here. It's kind of dark in there. They're gonna be getting moved today. We're gonna head up and see Grandma's goats?
Yeah.
Let's go see her goats. Let's get it.
Stinky. You stink.
She does stink. This is the goat barn.
If anyone needs goat milk, we got it.
Yeah. These aren't our goats, but they're in the family. Oh, the babies are over here, right? Yeah, look at it.
Suck on your finger.
Oh, gross.
Those ones are really brand
Yeah, these ones were just born the other day. My grandma likes to raise goats for milking purposes. Sells them.
new. You stink like Pat.
This one's next to Pop, I think, right there.
You stink.
That dude will whoop your ass. He is way bigger than you.
Buddy, get some. Get some, buddy. All right, let's go see the final farm animal.
The most popular farm animal of them all. How do we get out of here?
Oh my god.
He smells.
What are you looking at, bud?
I don't know how we got it. It just kind of happened, you know, one of those things. But this animal is crazy. Can't take care of him. Can't take care of himself. Expensive. There he is. You gotta be quiet. Try not to spook him.
Jordan!
Jordan!
You need a.
Hit my fucking tape measure with a circular saw.
I might have.
Brand new.
That was. Are you telling me that thing is brand new?
It was.
Like 10 years ago, maybe. So, update on our dock. Will it float? Nah, she blew out. We're stranded on land again. So, Caleb, for giving me some crap for the thumbnail and the caption, it doesn't float. We gotta get some new barrels or figure something out.
All the fucking way over and do all this.
I'm gonna split this log real quick.
Let's go hang out at the garage. Wait for Jordan to get back.
I got it stuck. What? Awesome. If you had one piece of advice for aspiring fishing YouTubers, what would it be?
Don't even try.
Great advice. Oh, that's Jordan going by. There goes the wild Jordan we saw earlier in the video. Why am I talking like a goddamn idiot?
Jordan!
Jordan!